7.5 kVA, 48 volt, 8 batteries. And we have another one. Another one here too. 10 kVA, 48 volts. Has been on 55.6 since yesterday, and still charges with 14 amps. Okay, here battery voltage right now. This is battery voltage right now. As you can see, battery voltage 55 volts. Set bulb voltage at 13.9. But the inverter is still charging with some amps right now. Charging on 6 amps up to this moment. Has been charging for over 4 hours now. When get to bulk.